Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's start from logo side. Label, logo, and curly brace. I am assigning CSS to logo, which is under label tag. Let me show it to you guys. Label, class, logo. Color, white, and font size, let's say 30 pixels, and line height 80 pixels. Let's save it. Let's assign some padding 0 to 100 pixels and plot left because I want to display logo at left side and save it. You see guys, our logo area. Let's assign CSS to our menu area. Now UL, because our UL under now tag and UL. Float right and margin right, let's say 20 pixels and save it. Let's assign CSS to our li, now UL li. I'm typing like this because our li under UL and UL under our nav tag. Display in block and line height 50 pixels and save it. You see the change guys? And let's assign color to our A tag. So I need to type now UL, LI and A tag and color white and save it. You see guys, our website is getting ready. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.